All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at 2 single caps with the front bar. Diamond dust finish here. Nice shine here in the sunlight. Now these are made out of solid 925 sterling silver. Okay. Beautiful grills. These are available on our website, blingcartel.com. Handmade for a perfect fit. All right, show you the back side real quick. So as you can see, these are caps with the front bar. You can do a top, a bottom, or a set. Diamond dust 925 sterling silver canine caps with the front bar. There it is, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.